Kune competition. Abantu ade behlala bethi ngithengele imoto, ngithengele iTez. As I'm speaking right now, ukhona omunye ocommenta mkhulu ngicela ungithengele iTez. I've decided to buy a car, a RS3, Audi RS3. This is what is happening, guys. Kukhona umuntu othi we kuzowina abangani bakhe, uzowinisa abangani bakhe, uzowina nikhumbula ukuthi as soon as into ingena kwi competition ethinta imali zabantu, ethinta umphakathi, auditors automatically they come in. Kunama auditors engwahirishile engwacelile ukuthi from MTN abayibona bazobala, not me. Mina ngihlangani. Mina what I did is bathe bafuna ukubona proof of purchase ukuthi imoto Khethelezi uyithengile khona because lento ithinta abantu. So proof, then mawuqeda lapho bese senza njani, siyayifaka skip number. I went there, I bought the car. After buying the car, ngaba email proof of payment, nansi imoto ithengiwe, Audi RS3, it's sport car. Then bathe bethi besuka lapho bathi right guys, then we can give out the number. Imoto ikhona. Nansi into abantu kufanele bayi understand. SMS costa R1.50. SMS cost R1.50 only. Ukhona umnye obuzile othe Khethelezi ngizovota namhlanje then ngilinde ukuthi go December 5 ivalue competition ngilinde ukuthi no, it doesn't work like that. Akuyona le njengelotho kuthiwa caphuna inamba uzowiniswa ukuthi uvoteka ingakhi. Remember iRS3 ethengiwe it's about 980,000. 980,000. Wena ungenzeka umuntu ovote ngo10,000 uyiwinela imoto. You vote as many as you can. Amavota wabalwa lawa mahala. And guys, terms and conditions ithi into yami. Please angifuni ukuthi bese lithi uKhethelezi akasitshelanga. Let me tell you terms and conditions. You don't vote mawunganayo license. But what you can do advising ngikunika yona because you are my fan, umlandeli wami. You vote mawubona ukuthi wena uwinile, maybe ngivote more than 10,000 or ngivote ka 500, ngivote ingaki. Ubona ukuthi okay inamba yakho ibizi uwinile. Don't come ungezi wena. Nika umuntu one license kube uyena ozayo athi na inamba ngiwinile then athatha imoto. Imoto izo announce on the day makuvulwa iICar car wash emahlabathini. On the day izo announce ukuthi umuntu owinile nangu akathatha imoto yakhe, athatha logbook yakhe, hand over ikhiye, nasi isikhiye, nasi ispeki, finish. Not ukuthi lento izophelela emoyeni. Silinde i-deadline izo announce ngomhla ka15. Ayavala i-competition ivala ngomhla ka5 December. Then ngomhla ka5 December up to mhla ka14 December kubalwa ukuthi ubani owinile. Then makusuka lapha ngomhla ka15 December announce ukuthi ubani. I-Audi RS3 2021 model, the latest one. Iyona imoto eningenelele. Ngisho kuthiwa iwine ugogo, ngisho kuthiwa iwine ubani. Mawukuthi uyiwinile uthi hayi mina mkhulu angifuni le moto ngifuna imali. It's up to you. I can still give you money. So wena ongafuna ukuvota it's fine, but laba bathi mina mkhulu khona ade becela bethi mkhulu uwalethe wamuse kitchen. Yeah. Ukhona ade ethi mkhulu ngicela ukuthi mina ungiwinise side. I don't have any access uthi RS3 or Golf 7. Guys, kunoma umnyothe mkhulu ngaze ngaphatheka kabi bekuthiwa iGolf 7. Which one is the better car, Golf 7 ne RS3? RS3 is the top one, not Golf 7. So laba bafuna ungenela ungangenela ngisho kuthiwa ungakanani. You must be 18 years kuya phezulu. You must be 18 years kuya phezulu ukuze ubuye uzo ungenele ilokhuzeni. Inamba ithi 33013 33013, and then you SMS the name Mzo, 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 MZO 33013. It doesn't mean to SMS like one expect to win, you SMS as many as you can. You can stand a chance ukuthi uwine iRS3. Eyakho lento awuvotela ukuthi ukhetheleze uvotela ukhetheleze ukuthi abe yi-traditional yenje. No. You vote for your own benefit. Uzobenefita, who knows? Ungangize uvote ngo-10,000 uyithole uzuhamba nge-RS3 2021 uvote nje ngo-10,000, which means ufana nomuntu othenga imoto nge-10,000. A new one, you will be the first owner. Akekho omnyoke wawe owner, you will be the first owner. Uyabuza umuntu, how do we vote? It's 33013 33013. Ubhala igama Mzo. Igama Mzo. Let me just show you guys so that sonke sibe ku same page. Igama Mzo. The name is Mzo. Let me show you. You go there. 2 3 3 0 1 3 33013. Then uzalana uyabhala Mzo. Utiyabo 33013. Then you come here Mzo, then you send. This is how you vote. This is how you vote. But you should get a message there. It's automatical message live. Thank you for entering the Mzo Win a Car competition. Enter more to increase your chances of winning. The winner will be announced by Dr. Kehleles. Thank you for entering the Mzo Win a Car competition. Enter more to win, increase your chances of winning. The winner will be announced by Dr. Kehleles. The winner is announced by mina futhi. Imine ongizobe ngi-announcer, but imoto izo-hand over ungizwe umlando kaMchunu president uyena ozo-hand over. Okay, it will be broadcast live intatheli phambi kwabantu bonke. So the more you vote,